How you doing, guys? Right now we're still on the coronavirus stay-home order. Almost 2 weeks. I didn't do too much, but right now the online auction was open again, and my friend just called me and he told me, hey, I know almost coming your birthday, you're just boring over there at home, you don't do nothing, so I got you something on a surprise. He just dropped it in the shop and he just called me, let's go over there and check the car, and he didn't say me nothing. So I heading on the shop right now, and I'm really sure it's he's got something interesting. It's not too much traffic on the road, but today is Saturday, April 11th, so 2020. So it's pretty much good traffic. Look, nice move, man, nice move. I need to go here too. So the question is what I did in the last 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks I don't do, actually not much. I not much do. I do with my son the online school. He just 6, so this is a big challenge. I set up to him the laptop and a lot of good things. Do the online school with them. Start fighting with my ex-wife, with my the child support. That is a funny story. She wants to make me the $10,000 debt, so I just start fighting. We go to the court. So I'm not just boring, but actually just boring. So let's go, let's go. This green. Oh, I gotta go get it. Yeah. Awesome. So, coronavirus and lockdown, either way, you need to do something. Because if you don't do that, somebody wants to break your life. Let's go. Almost we there. I'm curious, what kind of car is that? Here we go. Almost we there. I want to also check my Mercedes is still here. Yeah, that's still here. My baby is still here. Nice. Okay, let me check. Oh my goodness, so many cars here. Oh damn. Ugh. They are a freaking Saturn. Okay. Let's go check. What? Oh man, look at that. He start doing something, I'm sure. Turn on the light. Wait. Ooh, what is that? Man, BMW 328i. Man, nice. White. Awesome. Interior. Good. Nice. Looking nice. Oh, this handle is freaking awesome. So it's bad. Look at the engine. The engine. Where is the engine cover? Oh, there. So cool. Twin turbo. Whew. Let's go check. Where is the key? Okay, here's the key. I find the key. I find the key. Let's get it started. Oops. Yeah, we don't need to do nothing with this key. Just put it in here. Okay, head open. Except brake. So push this button. There we go. Ignition, switch it on. Series. Minus 32,000 miles. You see that? There we go. Let's see again. Let's see again. Go see. Series minus 32,000 miles. That is awesome. Let's go start it. Start it. What do you think? What do you think? This is good. Will be start. This will be start. I have no idea, man. I have no idea. Let's go do it. Hit the button. Hit the button. Hit the button. Let's go. Ooh! Oh my goodness! That's the start. That is start. But it's terrible. It's terrible, man. It's terrible. It's terrible. Wait. Oh, they're smoking a little bit. Hey, open this. Dude. Okay, good. Nice. Click, 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 click. What is that? Woo! Running like shit, huh? God damn. God damn. Look. What? Woo! The coffee in it. Go, man. Man. Jesus Christ. Look at this. The coolant is shaking. I'm 100% sure it's a misfire. Blowing head gasket. What is that? Okay. Woo. Oh my goodness. Okay, turn it off. Shut it off. Shut it off. Oh, shut it off, man. Shut it off. God damn it. God damn it. Ooh, see over there and down. Our leaks on the catalytic converter. That is not the good news. And this one, man. This one. Creamy. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Okay. But the cars look nice. Huh? Looking nice. Look how is beautiful this car. It's beautiful. This is what year is it? What year is it, this car? Oh shit. Look, 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 look. There's an unlock. There we go. What year is it? Oh, 2013 in January. Woo! So this is BMW F30 down. There's a Texas. It's nice. That's not bad. It's good, nice interior. It's very nice. Headliner, good. Yep. I'm sure just needed some brakes. Oh yeah, it's almost on steel. Oh jeez, that's nice. Ooh, the smell is like not good. Okay, so this is a N20 engine, twin turbo. Oof, it's burned. It's toasted. Oh man. Electronic actuator, electronic wastegate. Down, man, down. It's nice. This is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet. Sweet. Whew. Oh, let's go check something. Okay, here is the scan tool. You see, it's today, 2020, 4/11. So this that is kilometers. So there's 120 something, 120,000 miles in. So I show you just a history, what kind of codes we find. Thermal top stability limits. Okay, that is bullshit. Left beam, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. Okay, servo motor position sensor, electrical malfunction, ignition, cylinder 3, combustion period too short. Okay, so here we go. Misfire, several cylinders misfire. Cylinder 3, combustion misfire. Cylinder 3, Valvetronic servo motor position sensor signal not possible. Power management, oxygen sensor, Valvetronic system no movement detected. Jeez. That's it. That's it. It's not much. Look like BMW. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I call my couple of friends and what's going on, how it's gonna be on this, and a lot of guys just recommend take care of the engine. If I need to do anything on this car, take care of the engine. Of course, I need to take care of the engine. I'm 100% sure this one is not the good thing on this car. I'm sure there's a BMW special need to the engine come off and take off the head, replace the timing, check what is going on the head gasket, and the head is broke or something. This is not the really good news. That is a big challenge. That is a big challenge. So the next couple of days we have content to you guys. It's amazing. Why we don't do the BMWs before? We did, but actually just with the easy problems, because a lot of people want to stay away to the BMWs because it's everything's so expensive and requires a lot of skills. I have skills on the BMWs, but also required a lot of tools, and the special tools. You need to buy it. You cannot pass it. You cannot make it home. You can do that on right without special BMW tools. So right now my friend is so excited with this BMW, and he told me he just wants to buy all the tools we need. Okay, let's go do that. Let's see. I don't do anything right now on this car. I just diagnosed on this one. I just want to take off the cylinder 3, the spark plugs, and see what's going on there. And otherwise the engine needs to be came out. I'm 100% sure. Need to be came out. That's it. That's it. Well, I'm excited. Bye bye. See you Monday. Look down. Look it. I hope if someone fix it on this weekend. I don't need to do that. Man, BMW, huh? BMW. Woo! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. The couple of times in my life I did BMWs. But the BMWs, you always need to pay attention what you do. It's not easy. It's not easy. Fixable, of course it's fixable. Everything is fixable. But right now, you know, I don't know the price, how much he got on this car. If it's everything's fine, it's around the 9 grand. So he said it was very cheap. The car was very cheap. Yeah, the reason why, because the engine is fucked up. Man. That is good. That is good. Fixable. Fixing BMWs. Fixing German cars. Yes. Yes. But I'm still a big Mercedes fan. BMW, you do the nice cars too, but you know, man, I did the links, what kind of tools is required for this job. So I just link it below on my personal blog. So I want to share with you guys how is this experience is coming up. So and both ways I do I writing on my blog too on my website, and other tools is required. I just will be linked over there all the time. I just make the first part on the description and on a blog too. So please guys, check it. And please don't forget, one more time, don't forget, subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. 100% didn't miss any part of the job. So on Monday, for me Monday, April 13, 2020, I start taking off the engine, I'm sure, but I try to take off the spark plug too. Let's see. Okay. Whew. Goodies! BMW goodies! You excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. So subscribe here. Subscribe. Okay? Bye bye.